Hello, my name is Akash Ugli. Today we are discuss about the clinical data management and importance of clinical data management, scopes of clinical data management. The first we are discuss about the what is meant by clinical data management. Clinical data management is a critical phase in a clinical research, which leads to generate the high quality, reliable and statistical sound data from the clinical trials. Clinical data management collect, integration and management of subject data in the compliance with the regulatory stand and appropriate quality and cost. Clinical data management in all except of the all progressing of the clinical data. It involves the working with the range of computers, application, database, support and collection, cleaning and management, and improve the error of clinical data. The main purpose of clinical data management. The first, clinical data management provide the clean data and good format. It's provide the database fit for the managing clinical data. Ensure the quality of the data being transferred from the trial subject and database systems. It deliver the database of statistical analysis. It also provide the more accurate and valid data. It supports accurate of final conclusion and reports. Then main objective of clinical data management. The first is the data collection, data integration, data validation. Data collection, data collect from the papers, electronics, remotes, data captures. Then data integration means integration of data received from the all sources in a single database. Ensure the consistency and correctness. Third, data validation. Data validation is done user acceptance testings and quality control and programming of the data. Data validation edit the check program and manual views. Data validation means improve of data. In some tools and some steps involved in the clinical data management. First is data design, data collection, data entry, data validations, data cleanup, data analysis, data reporting and data presentation. Then the scopes of the clinical data management. The main scopes of clinical data management: data validated analysis of clinical data. The first is design and development of data and collection instruments such as a paper. CRF means electronic CRFs, clinical data management. Second, design and development of tools for the validation such as edit checks. Design and development of the tools for the analyzing data such as the drive database required as specific. Why is clinical data is important? We discussed the some importance of clinical data management to provide the consistent, accurate and valid clinical data, to support the accuracy of final conclusion and report, to collect the data is completed and accurate to that result are correct. Then the trial database is a complete, accurate and true presentation of what took place in trial. This is the importance of clinical data management. Thank you.